Welcome back to the channel guys. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to set up Signal private messenger app for the very first time. So let's get started without any further delay. And you have to make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to set up your Signal private messenger app so that you don't get stuck anywhere in the setup process. Now, if you have already downloaded the Signal private messenger app, you can simply open it. This is the logo right here. And you have to enter your phone number, then tap next. I have already entered my phone number and tap next, so it will not be shown on my phone screen. Signal will now send you a verification code by SMS. You have to simply type that 6-digit verification code on Signal private messenger app. Now you have to create a profile. You have to add your name, and optionally a profile picture is required as well. If you want to keep a profile picture, you can keep it. Otherwise, you can keep it empty, as you can see here. I don't have any profile picture right now. Now you will be asked to set up a PIN. This PIN helps secure your account and restore data if you switch devices. Once done, you will land on the main chat screen, ready to message securely to your loved ones and your family. And that's it guys, you have successfully set up Signal private messenger app. From here you can add contact, start chatting right away. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more Signal tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.